Welcome to God and Gravity, the channel where science and spirituality intersect. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question. What shapes our luck and coincidences? Are they purely random, or do they hint at something deeper, perhaps even divine? Let's begin. Have you ever wondered why some people seem extraordinarily lucky? They win contests, avoid disasters, or find themselves at the right place at the right time. Conversely, some seem perpetually unlucky, facing one misfortune after another. We often chalk it up to randomness, but is it really? Luck and coincidence have fascinated humanity for centuries. In ancient times, people turned to gods, omens, and superstitions to explain the seemingly random events in their lives. Today, science offers us another lens, the mathematics of probability, chaos theory, and the concept of randomness. But even science reveals that these forces are anything but simple. Let's start with probability, the study of chance. Every event has a likelihood of occurring, whether it's rolling a 6 on a die or finding $20 on the sidewalk. What's fascinating is that when you zoom out and look at the big picture, patterns emerge. For example, the famous law of large numbers states that given enough trials, outcomes will start to align with their probabilities. It's not magic, it's mathematics. But does this mean all luck is just math? Not necessarily. Scientists have found that humans are remarkably bad at recognizing randomness. Our brains are wired to seek patterns and meaning, even where none exist. This phenomenon is called apophenia, seeing shapes in clouds, faces in objects, or meaningful coincidences in random events. Could this be why we interpret lucky or unlucky streaks as something more significant? Now let's explore chaos theory, the idea that small changes can have massive effects, often called the butterfly effect. A butterfly flapping its wings in one part of the world could theoretically set off a chain reaction leading to a hurricane elsewhere. In life, seemingly minor decisions or encounters can have far-reaching consequences. For example, meeting someone by chance might change your career path or lead to a lifelong friendship. Was it random, or were larger forces at play? Chaos theory suggests that while the details of these events may be unpredictable, they're still governed by underlying laws. For those who believe in spirituality, luck and coincidence are often seen as signs of divine intervention. Many cultures and faiths teach that nothing is truly random. What appears as coincidence could be a message or guidance from a higher power. In Islam, for instance, the concept of qadar, or divine decree, suggests that every event, no matter how small, is part of a greater plan. But could science and faith coexist here? Recent studies in psychology and neuroscience reveal the power of mindset. Those who perceive themselves as lucky are often more optimistic, proactive, and open to opportunities. This creates a positive feedback loop where their attitude influences their outcomes, making them appear even luckier. Could this be a bridge between randomness and intention? Then there's synchronicity, a concept popularized by psychologist Carl Jung. He described it as meaningful coincidences that seem too perfect to be random. Think of meeting someone who has the exact advice you needed, or hearing a song that answers a question you were pondering. These moments feel orchestrated, as though the universe is aligning events just for you. Skeptics argue that synchronicities are just coincidences amplified by our desire for meaning. But could they be more? Quantum mechanics hints at deep connections between seemingly unrelated events. The phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles remain linked across vast distances, suggests that the universe is more interconnected than we understand. Could synchronicity be a reflection of this hidden connectivity? So, what shapes our reality? Is luck purely statistical, a byproduct of chaos, or a reflection of divine will? Perhaps it's a combination of all three, a delicate interplay of randomness, intention, and interconnectedness. The next time something extraordinary happens, whether it's a stroke of good luck or a surprising coincidence, take a moment to marvel at the hidden forces shaping our lives. Whether you see it as science, faith, or a little bit of both, one thing is clear. Our universe is far more mysterious and wondrous than we can comprehend. If you enjoyed exploring this fascinating topic, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a journey into the extraordinary. Thank you for watching God and Gravity, and as always, stay curious and stay inspired.